a slow-moving train, and the soul cries out for a handful of grain. Great.